Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to oil fry fish. First, select fresh fish fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Next, it's crucial to thoroughly pat your fish dry using paper towels. This step is key to achieving a wonderfully crispy exterior. Finally, season your fish generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy to build a flavorful base. Choosing the right oil is vital for a perfect fry. Opt for oils with a high smoke point, such as canola, peanut, or vegetable oil, to prevent burning and ensure a clean taste. Heat your chosen oil to a precise temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a deep fry thermometer is highly recommended to maintain this consistent temperature, which is crucial for crispy, non-greasy fish. For that irresistible crispy texture, ensure your fish is evenly coated in a flour or cornmeal mixture. When frying, always work in small batches to prevent overcrowding your pan, which can lower the oil temperature and lead to soggy fish. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 4 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and the fish flakes easily. Safety is paramount when frying. Never leave hot oil unattended, and always have a fire extinguisher or a tight-fitting lid readily available in case of a grease fire. Once cooked, transfer your crispy fish to a wire rack to drain any excess oil, ensuring it stays perfectly crunchy. For serving, a squeeze of fresh lemon and tartar sauce are classic accompaniments. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.